In this task, we're going to refactor our reservation forms. So open F, View, Reservation and Form. And here first, I'm going to create a new div. Let's panel.panel default. Just like that. And under here, we just create panel heading. And then another div for panel body. Oops. Alright, so inside the panel heading, let's add a new span, and this one we're going to display the room price dot price. Got $sign here, and also I'm gonna create another span, pull right, and here we say per night. Well, actually, this one here, just create an I, and this one is going to be fa.fa bold. Right, and for the style, we just add a new style for this. Let's say the color is going to be FFB400. Alright, save the file. Alright, and also I'm going to remove this form inside the body. Alright, now let's go back here, hit refresh. Okay, that looks much better. So we got the bolt here. Let's make a space between these. Cool. And now we're going to transform our start date and end date. So first inside here, I'm going to create a new div, row. And inside this, let's create a new div with columns MD6. Right, and for this one, I'll just remove the start date into here. And for the start date, well, actually, first here we just create a new label. And here we say check in. And for start date, let's say read only true. So the first time we set it to read only equal true, and the placeholder is going to be start date. And for the class, we say form control and date picker. We don't have the class date picker yet, but we're going to do that in a bit. And I'm going to copy this one, paste here, remove this one, and change this one to end date. And of course, this one is ended as well. Right, and for the submit button, that looks good. Save the file, go back here, hit refresh. Okay, we were missing the checkout. So this one is checkout. Alright, looks good, much better. So now it's read only, so you can't type anything in the start date and the end date. Instead, you have to select here. Now let's go here and create another div. So just make sure that you got here, and inside here just create another div. Let's say this one is going to be preview. And well, what we're going to do, we're going to display a table to display how many days that you book based on the start date and end date, and the total amount that you have to pay. So here we're going to get table, and we got a reservation table. So inside here we got T body, and inside here we got TR for row, and we got TD, and the first one we say price, and the second ones we got class equal text right. So here we just display the room price. So let's say add room.price. All right, and now I'm gonna copy this and create another 2 rows, and this one we say night. And for this one, let's say, for now, we should say something like 10. And for this one, let's say the total. Let's put it something like 140, just for testing. All right, save it. Now go back here, hit refresh. All right, so here's what it looks like. Now we need to add some classes for the reservation table and the date picker. So open Assets, Style Sheet, and application.scls. Let's go down here, and let's say this one reservations. So we just create a new class and reservation table, and for TD, and we say width is going to be 100%. Border we say none, and for border bottom we say 1 pixel solid. The padding we say 10 pixel, and then we got the reservation table, and for total and the TD, and we're gonna set the font size, let's say 16 pixel. For the font width, bold, and for the border we say none. The last one is for the form control and the date picker. Let's set the color, the background color we set to white, and for the border 1 pixel solid. And then text align we say center. All right, let's go back here. I think in a total TD here we need to say the class equal total. All right, save the file, go back here, hit refresh. Hey, that looks good. So remember that it's just for dummy data, but in a later state we're going to change those things with the real data based on the calculation. So right now I'm just create a new span with the ID, let's say reservation days. All right, and then for this one I'll just remove it, and I'm going to span with the ID, let's say reservation total. All right, oops. All right, save it. Here we need to $sign as well. All right, save the file. Now the last thing we want to do is that first I'm gonna change this one to, let's say, disable, set to true, and also for this preview, let's say style display equal none. All right, let's go here, hit refresh. Okay, it's gone, because in the first place you don't want to show that table until you make sure that the calculation is correct. Then you're going to show it in later state. And also here I'll just disable this end date, right? Because we want user to click the start date first and then the end date. In the next video, we're going to work on the logic for the start dates, and I'll see you there.